Hello my friends, I'm Lena. Welcome to Lena DIY Miniature House channel.
Hey! Huh?
Oh, hello there.
Today, I will show you how to make the most beautiful pink unicorn miniature house from polymer clay and cardboard. I hope you like it. We need a rainbow staircase to go up and down. Cyan first. Blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Little magic from magical unicorn. Use a plastic cup so I can make a swimming pool later. First, use glue to stick two cardboard sheets together. Roll this purple clay thin out to cover that cardboard. Like this. Use scissors carefully to cut off excess clay. Stick the clay border around. Put it here, that's the bed base. Place lots of cotton on the cardboard and cover it with pink fabric. That will be a really soft mattress. Decorated with lace fabric. And rainbow ribbon. Some sparkling chain. So nice. I want a beautiful unicorn headboard. I have to sketch it first. Just make it simple. Cover with white clay. Attach ears. Some flowers for the mane. Bling eyes. Pink cheek. Oh, don't forget the cute horn.
Wow!
Perfect. Make the end of the bed to keep it safe. Some picture frame to decorate the wall. I cut Formex into pieces and painted them yellow, then put them together to create unicorn cabinet. Rainbow horn and tail.
Woo!
Fill it full with books and documents.
Wow, that's wonderful!
Looks amazing. I love it. Next, I will make a kitchen. Let's start with a cabinet. Our cabinet is a combine of cardboard and purple clay. Take a pink clay, then flat it. Cut the border with jagged shape. Now we have cabinet doors. The microwave will be in the middle. Polish the cotton swab with yellow to make the handles.
Oh, wow!
Next, mixing white and blue clay so we can have a marble color. Make it round, then flat it. Cut into rectangle and bordering with blue clay. The kitchen can't lack a gas stove. I'll make the gas stove with pink clay. Stick on black foam and more details. Then you got the cutest gas stove. Carrot too, corn, and bell pepper. I'll show you how to make super tepid out of clay. It's very easy. Just a little drawing and done. See, looks amazing. Make more hanging cabinet. And some jars of jam. And a rug to keep the kitchen clean.
Wow, that's amazing.
Finally, let's move to the living room. I will make a cutest unicorn sofa. Still ears and horn. And decorated with lots of stars and flowers. Some leaves too. Lovely smiling eyes.
Wow!
Cake and bubble tea. It's the most beautiful living room in the world. Swimming pool with slime. It's a great idea. Glitter on its surface. So colorful.
Wow!
Done! It's the cutest pink unicorn miniature house you've ever seen, right?
Hey!
What? Was I just in the kitchen? But this bed is so soft. I love it. That smells delicious. Cake, I'm hungry